Good morning, everyone. I wish that I could see you right now. I know you're seeing me, but I wish I could see you right now. But you have this video to watch to help you with what you're doing today. I would just like to point out that the assessment is in Canvas. Don't go to Nearpod and then ask Ms. Melgoza for a code. It's in Canvas. So follow along with the video and you will be just fine. To get to your assessment, you need to go to Canvas, go to your math class, and go to your assignments. And you should see this assignment waiting for you, Pythagorean Theorem assessment. To make it easy for you guys, I put a link that should take you right into the Nearpod assessment. So click that link. Once you click on it, it should say, welcome to your lesson. And all you need to do is click on join lesson, unless you want to put a different name here. So if you prefer to, change your name right here to something that I usually call you, then go ahead and put it there. Then you're going to click on join lesson. And you should see a picture of Pythagoras, and you should see the Pythagorean Theorem assessment and a bunch of triangles in the background that are different colors. Okay, from there, there's a blue kind of half circle with an arrow in it. You guys should be familiar with using Nearpod. We use it in advisory, and I know a lot of other teachers use it every day in their lessons. So go ahead and click that, and it'll take you to the first slide. This is the portion that I will be doing for you to help you with your assessment. So all you need to do is follow what I'm doing, grab the little rectangles that are at the bottom of the screen and drag them and drop them into the white rectangles up at the top. So I'm going to read the sentence and then I'm going to drag and drop. According to the Pythagorean theorem, so they want the Pythagorean theorem to be dropped into this box. So that means I see it right there. It's the second one. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So you're going to drop that right into that box. So according to the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where c represents the length of the, well, c is always that diagonal piece, which is called the hypotenuse. So you're going to pick up the word hypotenuse, you're going to drag it and drop it into the second missing rectangle. Maybe you already know all of these and you're able to do it without my help, and that's great if you can. The Pythagorean theorem is only used in blank triangles. Well, we only use this for right triangles. And the other two words that are left don't even make sense to put there anyway. So the Pythagorean theorem is only used in right triangles. The blank intersect to form the right angle. So I always go like this when I'm explaining. So it's the L portion or the legs. Easy way to remember legs, because it's the L part and legs start with L. So the legs intersect to form the right angle or the 90-degree angle, and the hypotenuse is opposite. So when you're looking at a picture of a triangle, there's a little square in the corner. The hypotenuse or the diagonal is always opposite that. It's across from that. So I'm going to leave that there for a little bit. You should have dragged everything into there. It's a free point. I just gave you all the answers. It will be part of the assessment. So if you followed along, you've gotten all those answers correct. You might want to take a picture of this with your phone so you don't have to keep using those arrow buttons to go back to look at the formula. I don't really know if you need to look at the other sentences, but the formula really comes in handy. So maybe you want to take a picture of that with your phone. The rest of this assessment is for you to do on your own with the help of a calculator. And again, you should be using paper. So there's going to be, it'll pop up with the word quiz, and then it will automatically turn into the first question. If you have not used Nearpod too often, or you've used it where really it was just some sentences, I just want to tell you really quickly that it's super tiny right here. There's the triangle with the numbers, and you may have looked at this and said, how am I supposed to get the answer? I don't see anything. It's up in the upper right corner, and all you have to do is click on it, and then whoo, there it is. Super large for you to see. And that's where you want to use your paper to put the information onto your paper and then use your calculator to solve it. And then if you just click on the little X, it minimizes again. Notice none of these answers are even close to each other at all. So there's no like rounding wrong because they're all super far away from each other. So if you round and you think it's 12.6, obviously it's supposed to be 12.7. Good luck. Have a great weekend. And I will see you again on Tuesday. Bye-bye.